Hey everyone, you've just mined your first Bitcoin. You're excited, exhilarated, but also a little unsure about what to do next. One question that might be top of mind is, can I withdraw Bitcoin on Kraken? Hook. Well, the short answer is asterisk cut to a suspenseful pause. Yes, you can. Main content. Understanding Kraken. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let's quickly understand what Kraken is. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its security and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a digital bank for your crypto assets. The withdrawal process. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How do you actually withdraw your Bitcoin from Kraken? Log into your Kraken account. Show a quick visual of logging into a Kraken account. Explain the importance of using strong, secure passwords and two-factor authentication. Navigate to the Wallet section. Guide viewers through the Kraken interface to find the Wallet section. Select Bitcoin. Demonstrate how to choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose Withdraw. Show the Withdraw button and explain its function. Enter withdrawal address. Discuss the importance of double-checking the withdrawal address to prevent loss of funds. Provide tips on how to verify addresses safely. Specify amount. Guide viewers through entering the desired Bitcoin amount to withdraw. Confirm withdrawal. Explain the process of reviewing the withdrawal details and confirming the transaction. Security considerations. While the withdrawal process might seem straightforward, it's crucial to prioritize security. Here are some essential tips. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, asterisk. Use a secure internet connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks when accessing your Kraken account, asterisk. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never share your login credentials or private keys with anyone, asterisk. Withdrawal fees. Kraken, like most cryptocurrency exchanges, charges a fee for withdrawals. The exact fee can vary depending on network congestion and the withdrawal amount. It's essential to factor in these fees when planning your withdrawals. Common questions. Let's address some common questions you might have about withdrawing Bitcoin on Kraken. How long does it take for the withdrawal to process? Withdrawal times can vary depending on network traffic. However, Kraken generally processes withdrawals within a reasonable time frame. Can I withdraw a small amount of Bitcoin? Yes, you can withdraw even small amounts of Bitcoin from Kraken. Is it safe to withdraw Bitcoin to a hardware wallet? Yes, withdrawing Bitcoin to a hardware wallet is generally considered a secure practice. Hardware wallets offer offline storage, protecting your funds from potential hacks. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Withdrawing Bitcoin on Kraken is a relatively simple process, but it's essential to approach it with caution to ensure the security of your funds. By following the steps outlined in this video and prioritizing security measures, you can confidently withdraw your Bitcoin and enjoy the benefits of cryptocurrency. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency.